My purpose is to use the magic of drones that I call to captivate children and bring them into the fold, and then use that as an opportunity to work with them to teach them character. Today we call it social emotional learning, and just get them excited about learning and using the drone as a means to do that. So we've developed a curriculum that combines drone operations, drone flight, the physics of flight. So the kids are learning how to actually pilot and maneuver a drone, cinematography. So one of the things that attracted me to my drone in the first place was the fact that I could see a camera on, 350-foot view and make movies or take really cool pictures. And I thought that was fun and exciting for me. And then the third component, it is the coding. We work with a company called Drone Blocks. They're partners. They've developed a great app that integrates into the DJI Tello drone, which is the drone that we use.